Glengarry Village. We were here the other day at a crazy house that
In 1/2 mile, arrive at 45166 Thornhill Road on the right.
check. It was a very popular neighborhood. Seems as if a couple of houses have come up recently that were sold very rapidly here. Our house is coming up on the right in just a minute. It's nice, these roads aren't straight, they just sort of curve around. Big yards, nice big boulevard through the middle here. That just gives you a little playing space and just visually pretty. The house we're gonna go see looks to me like it is
Arriving at 45166 Thornhill Road on the right.
coming up. It's got this place out in back. Oh, there's the front. Nice. Okay, we're at 45166 Thornhill Road in Canton, Michigan. Let's zoom out a little bit. Beautiful house. Big garage space. Let's take a look inside. Front entranceway is full 2-story. See a good number of cards on the table here. Those are realtors who have seen this house already. So let's take a look. To your left here, you'll have what I would call a formal living room or entertaining living room. It's a nice size. It's really pretty. Goes around to the dining space over here. I think we'll head straight through to check out the kitchen, which is also to the right. Pretty home. Again, tall first entranceway, your foyer. So as we go in here, this is going to be a little coat closet just to your left. Let's back out so you can see where that is. Kitchen this way. Oh, an unexpected family room. Okay. Half bath to the garage space. This is where you're expected to find all this. It's a 2-car garage. A coat closet here as well on your way in. There's a little paint, but basically the paint looks great. There's a step down here. This also circles around to the kitchen. Nice family room with fireplace behind those chairs. This is staged. Maybe it's not. Kind of looks a little staged. Anyway, they're just showing this room as being open and large. Nice light in here. Very pretty, nice layout. So this goes to the kitchen. This door goes back to the front foyer into the garage. This is where you would put a dining table. There's a lamp for it, which indicates that's where a nice little table would go. This is a beautiful kitchen. Lots of space in here, a big counter space in the middle. It does have the one thing that makes me a little weary. Just keep in mind, your hot counters is right there where they have stools for people to sit. Not ideal if you have children, small ones anyway, but not a deal breaker by any means. Backyard. It's also the side yard. The street is right there. This is on a corner lot. Just keep that in mind. Otherwise, it's beautiful. So your front hall is through there. We'll take another spin around here just so you make sure you have a really good feel for this house. This is probably your door to your basement, right there. And we will go down there, but I just wanted to take a quick peek. There's some seating space here for your formal dining. The floors are beautiful. I think this is a composite of some sort, which is smart in Michigan to have like a layered floor because we have such a variance in climate. Okay, nice windows in all of the rooms here. There's great light. There's no lights on in this room, and it's a fairly overcast day, but it's still well lit. Let's look upstairs first, and we'll see what's downstairs in a minute. Here we go. All right, I'm expecting there to be a master on one end. This would be it. Let's take a look at our master off to the right. High ceilings in the master. I'm sure you can see that from here. It's a very nice, large, spacious room. There's plenty of room on this backside here. Tub, bath, similar granite countertops from the lower kitchen and bath, which is very pretty. Walk-in closet, beautiful. High ceilings here in the bathroom, which make it interesting. Down here you'll have a shower, separate, and your little toilet room. Nice, spacious master bath. So, let's take a look down this hallway. As you can see, we'll have some other bedrooms. 1, 2, 3 is what I'm guessing is a 4-bedroom house. Bedroom or office. Very nice. Here's your bath. Let's flip this on. Oh, and washer dryer. Interesting location. Clearly intended, or they moved it up from the basement, which is quite possible. If you look here, you'll see that there's a rail here. So there was closet doors here. You could put them back on